Hey guys, welcome to the Droid Guy. Today we're going to teach you how to resolve or fix CMD not working or opening on Windows 10. So let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is to right-click on a blank area on the taskbar, then select Task Manager. You also have the option to go to the search bar and type in Task, and then click Task Manager. So what we're going to search for is the Windows Command Processor. If you find it on your end, click on it, then select the End Task tab. Next, close the window. After that, try opening CMD. Type in CMD on the search bar. And as you can see, the problem has been fixed. If that didn't resolve the issue, then try the next solution. Right-click on a blank area on the desktop, then select New. Next, click on Shortcuts. So type in here cmd.exe, then click on the next button. You create a name or retain the name CMD, then click on Finish. So the CMD icon is now on your desktop. Right-click on it and select Properties. A window will open. Under the Shortcut tab, click the Advanced tab. A new window will open. Make sure to check the box that says Run as Administrator. After that, click the OK button, and also this one, Apply button, then OK button. Then right-click on the desktop and select Refresh. Once it is done, open CMD to check if it is already working. That's it. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.